This is our new format sheet-fed corona treating system that can be used in laboratory to treat single sheets, one by one. Corona treatment improves the bonding of inks, adhesive and coatings in printing and converting applications. It allows treatment of different formats, A4, A3, A2, A1, A0, B formats and customized formats. The system can be used in a laboratory as well as in line in printing lines. For example, for digital printing or screen printing. Our innovative system, patent pending, allows to treat even the lightest and finest sheets, ensuring fast sheet feeding without any jamming. The system can go up to 120 meters per minute. In addition to standard laboratory application, the new and improved format treating station can be used in paper converting, digital and screen printing. So you can use it as a standalone system or as a part of a production line. It can be used for paper, coated paper, plastic materials, aluminum sheets and steel sheets, as well as a lot of other materials. Let's test a sample. As you can see, this sample has a very low surface tension. Test pen I'm using does not write on the sample. Let's treat it. Now that we have treated our sample, let's measure if we have enhanced the surface energy by using our test pen. As you can see, we can now draw, and this is a treated sample. Thanks to the corona treatment we have done, now the bonding of ink is very strong.